Hi there, I'm Jairo for Contabo, and in this video, I'll show you how to implement the LiteSpeed Cache plugin for WordPress, step by step. It's one of the most powerful tools for WordPress acceleration, and I'll walk you through everything you need to boost your site speed. Caching is a technique used in computing to store copies of data temporarily so that future requests for that data can be served faster. The LiteSpeed Cache plugin is more than just another caching tool. It's a server-level solution built specifically for LiteSpeed web server. It handles full page caching and advanced caching mechanisms, giving you a massive speed boost right out of the box. Before you begin, make sure your hosting uses LiteSpeed or OpenLiteSpeed. If you're not sure, ask your provider or check your server info. It should mention LiteSpeed under server software. LiteSpeed is not pre-installed on Contabo VPS, but you have, of course, the flexibility to set it up if you need to. Next, let's install the plugin. For that, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for LiteSpeed Cache, and click Install Now and Activate. Once it is activated, go to the LiteSpeed Cache, General, in your WordPress dashboard and switch Enable LiteSpeed Cache to On. This connects your site directly to the server's caching mechanisms for immediate speed benefits. Now, let's turn on page load optimization features. Head to LiteSpeed Cache, Page Optimization, and minify CSS and JavaScript, load CSS asynchronously, and defer JavaScript. These reduce your page size and help your content load faster for the visitors. Want even more speed? Go to Image Optimization and use LiteSpeed's free QUIC.cloud service. You will be able to compress images and convert them to WebP automatically. In the CDN tab, you can enable QUIC.cloud CDN or your own CDN to serve static assets faster. Then, use GTmetrix or PageSpeed Insights to test your new speed. You should see a big improvement. To confirm the plugin is working, open your site in incognito mode, right-click, view page source, and scroll to the bottom. If you see something like this, you're good to go. And that is it. With the LiteSpeed Cache plugin, you have unlocked true WordPress acceleration and page load optimization, all with a few simple steps. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know what you're building. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hosting with Contabo.